Hi YouTubers, here we are again, another update of electronical stuff, reviews and stuff. So as you see here, yes, this is PS Vita. So as you see here, we have a Canon bag with possible a Canon camera, or else. We shall see. This is what I got free today. I bought this today, which you've seen already. 15 euros with some other stuff there. That one is settled in already. Well, I'm specifically reviewing this Canon camera. We shall see now what's in it. Cassette tapes, manual, a video camera, and mini DV tapes. Lots of them. We shall get them out. By the way, this mini DV tape belongs to this JVC mini DV cam. So we have tapes. Sorry, I'm listening to the news a bit. We have some loads of Sony tapes here. We have an can you say it? Fucking lost the name. AV cable, but the charger is missing, so that is sad. But I have some cables here, what fits in its place. Now I shall get the other tapes out. There are 5 Sony tapes, 1 JVC that belongs to this one, and I have here another Sony tape, but this tape has a nice color. Look, it has a transparent housing, so that is nice. I like that. Back is black, front up is looks blue, but this is purple, this is blue, this is purple, and that's blue. So that is nice. We have another transparent tape. Oh, this is in its still original packing. Sealing, in a seal. So keep that in a seal. Another transparent tape. We have another one, transparent. That's a green one. From Sony as well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tapes. I can go out with that. So we have 9 cassette tapes. We have the manual here for this mini DV camera. Digital video cassette. This is the MV700 750i. Oh, it's for the manual for the same those cameras. So we have some manuals, card mix, and that kind of stuff. An SD card? What the fuck? I'll show you. Look. Lithium knope battery, battery, a lens cap, compact net adapter that is missing, stereo cable, SCART that's missing, the remote is missing, those 2 batteries are missing, USB cables missing, the card is missing, digital video solution for Windows and Macintosh is missing, and the groothoek lens accessory that is missing. So that is annoying. I miss a loads of stuff for this camera. Oh, wait a minute. Here it says USB ports. Let's take the camera out. Here is the camera itself. It's got loads of buttons on it. It has a viewfinder here, color, LCD display. We have charge button, volume, menu, focus buttons, record search, back, night mode. We have some other buttons here, record, camera off, play VCR, zoom in, photo, let's see, no USB ports, so that's sad, no USB port, but if I look good, this is for the few of those cameras, not only this one. So we have only DV, so no one of those cables what you put in there like DVD recorder like this. Oh, we need DVs in here as well, so not one of them. S-video, oh yeah, I forgot the name. So there's no SD card or remotes or anything, just a camera, video mini DV tapes, its box, its Canon bag, an out video out thingy, manual, that's it. So that is quite sad, but it doesn't matter. Yeah, no USB or anything, but it is a very nice, decent mini DV cam. I like it. Stereo microphones. There's a lens. It's okay, it looks nice. So yeah, get another good view of this camera. MV700. So this is not the MV700i. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. Yeah, this is a decent camera. I only need to find a firewire cable because so I can use this, but I don't have that, and I don't have desktop software. So yeah, I'll try to find that one day. So these are the accessories what I got with it, with the bag for this camera. So yeah, not this. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and seeing the details of this camera. Let's see on the MV700. Yep. Do not close this cover while cassette compartment is ejecting or retracting. I understand. Hmm. There's a tape in it. Nice. It does work. But I couldn't seem to put the device on. Oh! I see life out of it. Change the battery pack. Turn it off. So it needs charging very good. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time, my friends. Bye bye.